Hey there, everyone. So today we're going to be talking about finding fraction pairs. So when we're talking about fraction pairs, we're actually talking about finding equivalent fractions. So today I'm going to break down step by step on how to solve these fraction pairs and how to find the fractions that are equivalent to it. The first step in finding a fraction pair is to write down the multiples. You want to figure out what are the multiples of each denominator. Once you figure that out, you want to find the LCD, which is the least common denominator. What number do they both have in common, but is the least number? Your last step is to multiply. So you want to follow these 3 steps, and we're going to go over 2 problems today that'll help you find those equivalent fraction pairs. So let's take a look at this first problem. 5/6 and 2/9. The first step, again, find those multiples of the denominator. So we're going to write out the multiples of both 6 and 9. Here are the multiples of 6. You have 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. I'm going to stop there. No particular reason. I just want to stop because I don't want to go too far. And here are the 9 times tables. 9, 18, 27, 36. Now, when you look at your list of multiples, right, you want to find the LCD. What is the least common denominator? So when you have those multiples written out, you can see that 18 is the least common denominator. Now your goal is to rewrite. You want to rewrite your fractions with your LCD. So here you see 5/6 equals blank over 18, and 2/9 equals blank over 18. Next step is to multiply, and you have to ask yourself this question. 6 times what equals 18? And that's 6 times 3. Whatever you do to the bottom, you must do to the top. And for the next problem as well. 9 times 2 equals 18. 2 times 2 equals, okay? And this is how you find those equivalent fractions. 5 times 3 is 15. 2 times 2 is 4. And then you rewrite out your problem. 5/6 and 2/9 equals 15/18 and 4/18. That is how you find the equivalent fractions. Now let's take a look at another practice problem. You have 12/20 and 4/8. Again, follow those 3 steps: multiples, LCD, and multiply. So write out the multiples of 20 and 8. You have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. I just stopped there. Again, you don't want to go too far. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40. Okay? And again, you want to find what the LCD is, the least common denominator. And if you see this question, it's 40. They have the LCD of 40. So again, rewrite your problem. 12/20 equals what over 40? And 4/8 equals what over 40? Okay, and ask yourself, 20 times what equals 40? Think about it. 20 times 2. Whatever you do to the denominator, you must do to the numerator. 8 times 5 equals 40, denominator to the numerator. And now it's time to multiply. 12 times 2 is 24. 4 times 5 is 20. Now it's time to rewrite out that problem. So 12/20 and 4/8 equals 24/40 and 20/40. All right, you found those equivalent fraction pairs. You do not simplify, you just show that they're equal. All right, so here you go, friends. Here are the steps to finding those equivalent fractions, step by step. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm here to help.